right? Righteous anger is somebody who's attempting and striving to continue to do the right thing regardless, right? Doesn't mean that they're going to be perfect. See, here's the problem. Everything, oh, you're not perfect too. It's not about the perfection.
Yeah.
It's about the strive for the consistency of perfection and admitting when you fall.
Yeah. So let me give me some examples. Just tell me yes or no. So is Donald Trump practicing righteous anger?
And probably in some cases.
Yeah. How about Kanye West?
Not all, not fully. I can't say him as a totality because he uses way too much pridefulness and arrogance at a particular time. Now we can say it's for a bigger reason, right?
Yeah.
But then you're trying to dummy yourself down. So now it's like, but some of the principles that he's standing on, yeah.
Yeah. How about Ye?
Same thing, where it's some of the principles that he's standing on. It's from an anger that he's realizing, but does he go about it the right way? Does he go through the grunt? I don't know.
But dude, do any of us go through it the right way?
There we go. Now we on the same page. When you say any, now we're talking about all. Let's get to where all of us deal with what. Now we talking.
But
now
Rashad,
we all on the same level of the playing field.
But Rashad, how few people even get to that place where they're like put in a situation where they're like, oh, Cardone's doing it wrong, Rashad's doing it wrong, Trump's doing it wrong, Ye's doing it wrong. Like, I'm not comparing myself to those people, but I'm just saying, like, I think very few people understand doing it right is impossible.
You saw like the crowd watching the game. They're thinking that they got to be perfect.
Yeah, they're gonna be like,
nobody
oh, you were a fool because you couldn't put the Q on Quentin.
Right, I'm an idiot.
Yeah, but you went and owned it. Let me ask you some things because you brought up early. Go ahead. Did you want to say something?
No, I was gonna say with that, man, is the last thing though that anybody should do is change what's right because they are in the wrong. That's where we get problematic, because if somebody, right, that cheats on their wife starts to think, they used to say, no, cheating is wrong. Now that they cheated, cheating's okay. That's the problem. That right there is the problem. See, the person that does wrong and admits it was wrong, yeah, if you admit you're wrong, then you're look, all right, perfect. You said nobody's perfect.
Nobody can do it right. No, there's no doing it right.
I'm gonna challenge you on that one. Perfect. Perfect. One is a completion, and also you can perfect something. Spelled the exact same way. So we can be in a position, in a posture to perfect.
Yeah. To perfect.
Yeah. To be perfect means complete.
Yeah.
But to perfect is a process.
Yeah.
And that is what I'm talking about, that we eliminate the process in regards of saying we can't be perfect. You know why you can't be perfect? Because you can't be complete. Yeah, so nobody can be perfect, meaning complete, but we all can perfect, which is the going towards what's righteous.
But you can't perfect it without doing it wrong many, many times.
We agree to that.
Yeah, okay, good.
That is the part we agree to.